Hello friends, welcome to our new session. So today we'll learn new things about Power BI and in our previous video we have discussed about applied steps and what are the uh, changes we have already made that we can see in our applied steps. Okay, so today we'll be learn how to make visualization. Okay? So for that I will share my screen. And due to the slow internet, I will off my video. So I will share my screen. Okay. So here you can see in final tools. Okay. So here we can see in, in data we can see we have three tables: finals, teams, and winners table are there. So as you can see here, round column is not showing numeric value. So that means we need to make changes. Okay. So after loading, let's say in starting we have clicked on load, or if we want to make any changes in our data, what we have to do is we have to go home. Okay, we have to go home and click transform data. Okay, okay. So okay, so let's go to the final table. Here you can see. Excuse me. So here you can see we have rounds column. Okay, so here we have rounds column, and in the rounds column you can see it is a text data type. Okay, so okay, so what we need to do, we just need to click on here. Okay, and here we can change the data type to whole number. Okay, in same thing in here also. Okay, so the rounds column has changed. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just go to home and click on close and apply. Okay, I will do close and apply. So if I will choose close, okay. If I will click on apply, whatever changes we have made, it will apply. But the PowerPoint will be still open. If I click on close, then it will close. But it will close Power Query, but do not apply. Apply the changes which you have made, which I made. So that's that's why I always use close and apply. So let's see. Okay, now it's changed. So for any kind of visualization action, now you can see the data type has changed. Okay, changed to numbers. So for any kind of visualization action, if we want to create, then we have to take the particular visualization from visualization section. Okay, from visualization section. Okay, so let's say I want to see how many runs. Okay, runs we have created. So I'm taking, so all the here you can see the stack bar chart is there, column chart is there, clustered bar chart is there, clustered column chart is there, and you can see stacked column, whatever stacked column chart is also there, line chart is also there. So here you can see many options in visualization. So as I will see the, suppose I want to see the total rounds. So I will choose this card. Okay, card visual. Okay, so I will choose this card visual. Okay, so basically visual is mostly used to show the total number and any kind of numbers which you want to show. Okay, if I want to see till that how much rounds have been made in the finals or by the winners, so I'm having selected the visuals and I can see the fields option here. Okay, fields option. So we have to add the data field here. Okay, so we have to data field here. So if I select rounds, okay, so if I select rounds, you can see the total rounds. Got it? You can see the total rounds, sum of rounds. I mean, I clicked on rounds. Okay, so what it will do? It will show the sum of rounds. So total rounds which have been made till date in the finals by the winners team. Okay, so I can also get other options, that is average, minimum, maximum. Okay, anything I can see here. Count, distant, count, deviations, variations. Okay. Um, okay. So let's say if I want to see minimum run. Okay. So I want to see minimum run. Okay. So minimum run in a final has been made. So this is just, this is just an example. So uh, how we can show or select data in a particular visuals. So similarly, if I want to see, uh, let's say any bar chart. Okay, so let's say any bar chart. I want to see the I want to see the team initials. Okay, so I want to see the uh, suppose I want to see the team initials and their rounds. Okay, see, let's see. So as you can see here, based on the team initials, we are getting the total number of rounds. Okay, see, we can see the total number of runs, and they are made in the finals. So this is combined data. That means they have reached maximum times. Okay, so they have more runs in the table, but how how can we see the data which is there? Okay, so um, just a second. Okay, so I can I can see the team KKR and the total rounds, and here I can see the team RCB and the total rounds. Okay, here we can see the Rajasthan Royals and their total rounds they have made. Okay, so it will just add all of them and show it here in a single. So this is sum of rounds. Okay, you can see Punjab, Gujarat, Mumbai, DC. Okay, you can see all of the total rounds. Okay, so let's do one thing. Okay, all these are done. So let's say I will create another visuals and I want a table. Let's say city. Let's say uh, okay. So I have created another visuals and I want a table that's city. Okay, city and city name. Yes. How much runs they have been scored in those cities? Okay, in those cities, how much runs? See, as you can see, the city was Chennai. Okay, the city was Chennai, and the team was and the team and the team were playing KKR and Bangalore. Okay, in Chennai. Okay, so in Chennai you can see the total runs were 511. Okay, the total runs, and as you can see there, city was Chennai. So now, based on the cities and rounds, we are seeing all the winners here also. Okay, so this is we can create simple visualization with the Power BI. Okay, in Dubai also you can see Mumbai, Hyderabad. Okay, okay. So these are things in visualizations. Okay, so after that, after that, we'll discuss about data source. Okay, so now we'll discuss about data source. So what is data source? I mean, in Power BI desktop, we have a wide choice of sources to import data from, including database, files, Azure, and SaaS connectors. Okay, in data source. So, uh, like we can say how all the. I mean, if I just a second, I will give an example. Okay, so I will see that how can we see all the data sources. If I go to get data, okay, then I will see some common data sources which are available directly here. But you can also click more, okay, but you can click on more, and you can get a lot of data source using which you can connect with your data, which are available on different platform. So this you can utilize. Okay, so let's see what we are having. I mean, data source like database connectors, okay, file connectors, Azure connectors, SaaS connectors. These are the data source we have. Okay, in database connectors like MySQL, SQL Server, okay, and in file connectors like directly. either from folders or Excel, uh, in files or CSVs. Okay. Then coming to Azure connections like Microsoft Azure databases, we have, and in SaaS connectors. Okay. So I mean, SaaS connectors are the softwares as a service connectors. Okay. So these are the data sources in Power BI. Okay. So these are things today we have discussed, and in next session we'll discuss more about Power BI. So that's it. Thank you.